Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I will show you how to design a full example of a presentation with topic inside the world of a car mechanic garage. So let's get started. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on each particular slide so you can practice with us. We will put the hex codes of each color in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us. When we don't give the hex codes, it means that we are using the theme colors from PowerPoint. We got the images from Pexels, Pixabay and Uxwing. We will put the link below in the description to download them to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this presentation with us, so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. We must say that this presentation is a product of fiction. Any resemblance to persons, names, images, places and situations, it is completely coincidental and not responding in fact. Any material is used for the needs of the presentation. Thank you! Even if we know all the commands and tools in PowerPoint, it can still feel really different when we actually start building the presentation slide by slide. We often get stuck because it's hard to know where to begin or how to put everything together smoothly. Practicing with full ready-to-go presentations helps us see how all those commands and elements can come together. It shows us how to use everything in action, like combining text, images, animations, and transitions. It makes the whole process feel a lot easier and more natural, because we get to see how everything works in real time, not just in theory. This PowerPoint presentation, inside the world of a car mechanic garage, essential services and tools in automotive repair, takes you inside the car mechanic garage where vehicles are repaired and maintained. It covers services, while also highlighting the important role of a mechanic. We have included a lot of images in this presentation to give you a real feel of what it's like inside the mechanic garage. The grey color theme matches the garage setting, and for the titles we use a grey color with a shadow effect for an industrial look. We use the Bernard Empty Contents as main font to keep the style bold and technical, and Georgia font for the texts below. One of the PowerPoint tricks we practice is using SVG icons as slide background fills, placed in front of images to create a modern layered design. We also use the morph transition and slide zoom effect to make the slides more engaging and playful. Right-click, Layout, we choose blank. So let's start to insert 12 blank slides. There are 3 ways to do this. With the command Control pressed M, or right click on the left column, we choose New Slide, or we go to the Home ribbon, we choose New Slide, we choose blank. So let's do it fast with Control pressed M. 12 slides. Now we want to insert an image into each slide, either as a background or to simply cover the entire slide, depending on how we will use the slide later. At this point, we should remind you that we have the links from the images in the description, so you can practice with us. We go to Insert ribbon, we go to Pictures, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. With the help of the white dots and Ctrl-Shift pressed, we drag the image until it meets the borders of our slide. Then we go to the second slide, right-click Format Background, Fill, Picture or Texture Fill, we go to Insert. From a file, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Then we go to the third slide, Picture or Texture Fill, Picture Source, we go to Insert. From a file, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Then we go to the fourth slide, Fill, Picture or Texture Fill, Insert. From a file, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. And with the same way, we keep going for the rest of the slides. Let's do it fast. And we go to the first slide. Close Format Background. After we put the images on the slides, we want to put the transparent rectangles. First 2 slides we will put transparent rectangles with 2 gradient stops in such a way that the titles are clearly visible. On the first slide, we want to insert the title and the presenter's name from the left side of the slide. We notice that the image has very intense colors, and because we want to write the text and we want it to appear clearly and reduce the intensity of the colors of the image, we will insert a transparent rectangle. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the Design area from the upper left corner of the slide to the lower right corner of the slide. Drag and release it. Right-click Format Shape, Fill, Gradient Fill. We want 2 gradient stops. We go to the first gradient stop, Color. We choose third column, fourth in a row. Position 40, Transparency 10%. We go to the second gradient stop, Color. We choose third column, fourth in a row. Position 100, Transparency 100%. Line, Solid Line. We choose Color, first column, second row. Width 4.5 points. Close Format Shape. Now we copy the transparent rectangle, right-click Copy. We go to the second slide and we paste it. Right-click Paste. We go to the third slide. On the third slide, as on the other slides, we notice that the images have intense colors. We want to use them as a background and write our text. So we will insert a transparent rectangle. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Rectangle, we click in the Design area from the upper left corner to the lower right corner of the slide, drag and release it. Right click, Format Shape, Fill, Solid Fill, Color, we choose third column, fourth row. Transparency 25%. Line, Solid Line, Color, first column, second row. And width 4.5 points. Close Format Shape. Now we want to copy this transparent rectangle, right click Copy, and we go to the fourth slide and paste it. Right click Paste. And we continue with the same way to paste the transparent rectangle in the rest of the slides. Right click Paste, right click Paste, and we go again to the first slide. Now we want to insert the texts on each slide. We go to the first slide, we go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. From Home ribbon we choose Bernard Empty Contents font, size 72, color first column, first row. We go to Shape Format, Text Effects, Shadow, Inner, we choose Inside Center. And we write our text. Inside the world of a car mechanic garage. We put it in the desired position. And now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from Home ribbon Bernard Empty Contents, size 28. Color first column, first row. We go to Shape Format, Text Effects, Shadow, Inner, we choose Inside Center. And we write by Martha G. Santos. We adjust the text and we put it in the desired position. Now we want to copy this title, click in the text box, right click Copy, we go to the second slide, right click Paste, we want to keep the same settings, we want to change only the size 60, and we change the text. Essential services and tools in automotive repair. And we put it in the desired position. We see that the titles are aligned left. On the third slide, we go to insert the title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from Home ribbon Bernard Empty Contents, size 44, color first column, first row, Shape Format, Text Effects, Shadow, inner, inside, center, and we write. We adjust the text and we put it in the desired position. Then we want to insert another one text. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from Home ribbon Georgia font, size 32, color first column, first row, and we write. We adjust the text box. A car mechanic garage is a specialized service center that offers maintenance, repair and diagnostic services for automobiles. It is where vehicles are inspected, repaired and serviced by certified mechanics. We put it in the desired position and click Justify. We adjust the text. Now we want to copy the title from the third slide, click in the text box, right click copy, and we go to the fourth slide, right click paste. We want the same settings and we change the text. We change the title. Types of services. Now we click the text box, right click copy, right click paste, click the text box and we want to change only the size 32. And we change the text. Engine and transmission repair. Click text box, right click copy, right click paste. We keep the same settings and we change the text. Electrical and AC systems. Right click copy, right click paste. We keep the same settings and we change the text. Suspension and brake services. Right click copy, right click paste. We keep the same settings and we change the text. Tire replacement and alignment. Now we copy the title of the fourth slide, right click copy, and we go to the fifth slide, right click paste. We keep the same settings and we change the text. The role of a car mechanic. Then we want to copy the title, click in the text box, right click copy. We go to the sixth slide, right click paste, click the text box, home, color, more colors. At the costume tab we delete the previous hex code and we write hashtag FF3333, click OK. We delete the previous text. We want to keep the same settings and we change the title, we change the text. And we put it in the desired position. Diagnosing problems. Then we want to insert another one text box. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to Home ribbon, we choose Georgia font, size 32, color, first column, first in a row. And we write. We adjust the text and we put it in the desired position. Then we copy, click the title, shift pressed click and the text, right click copy, right click paste. We keep the same settings and we change the text. Repair and maintenance, skilled in repairing everything from the engine to the smallest electrical components. Now with click and shift pressed click, shift press click, shift press click, right click, we copy all the text. We go to the 7th slide, right click, paste the text. We keep the same settings and we change the texts. Engine repairs. We choose the title, suspension and brake systems. Click in the text box. Ensuring the vehicle's ride quality and safety. We choose the text, right click, copy. We go to the 8th slide, right click, paste. We keep the same settings and we change the text. Electrical systems. Next text box, choose the text and we write fixing car electronics like the battery, alternator and wiring issues. Click the next text box, choose the text and we write customer interaction. We go to the next text box, we choose the text and we write car mechanics explain issues, recommend solutions and provide cost estimates to customers. On the 9th slide, we want to insert the title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to Home ribbon, we choose Bernard Ending Contents, size 44, color first column, first row. We go to Shape Format, Text Effects, Shadow, Inner, Inside Center. And we write Essential Tools. Then we want to insert another one text box. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Georgia font, size 32, color first column, first row, bold, and we write Diagnostic Tools. We unchecked the bold and we continue. Diagnostic tools, OBD2 scanners to read car codes and identify issues. Then we copy this text, right click copy, right click paste. We choose the bold text and we replace it. Power tools. And then we choose the rest of the text and we replace it. Impact wrenches, grinders and air compressors for quick repairs. And we put the text in the desired position. Then we right click copy the text box. We go to the 10th slide, right click paste. We put it in the desired position. We choose the bold text and we replace it. And then we choose the rest of the text and we replace it too. Lifts and jacks, car lofts to raise vehicles for undercarriage inspection and repairs. We adjust the text and then we copy another 2 times. Right click copy, right click paste and we put it in the desired position. Right click paste and with the same way we change the text. We go to the rest of the text and we change it. Hand tools, wrenches, screwdrivers and pliers for manual repairs. Tire changing equipment, machines for balancing, aligning and changing tires. Now we go on the 11th slide. We go to insert the title, we go to insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to home ribbon, we choose Bernard Ending Contents font, size 44, color first column, first row, shape format, text effects, shadow, inner, inside center, and we write conclusion, and we put it in the desired position. Then we want to insert another text box. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from Home ribbon font Georgia font, size 36, color first column, first row, and we write the text. A car mechanic garage is not just a space for fixing cars, but a place where skilled professionals use advanced tools to maintain and repair vehicles. From oil changes to complex engine overhauls, these garages ensure the safety and functionality of the cars we rely on every day. We keep the text as it is, and then we are going to come back and do some changes. We go on the 12th slide and we write the thank you message. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from Home ribbon Georgia again, size 48, color first column, first row, shape format, text, effects, shadow, inner, inside, center, and we write thank you for watching. We click the text box, we go to Home, we choose bold and center the text, and we put it in the desired position. We go to the third slide, and the next step is to put 3 SVG icons. We go to Insert, Pictures, this device. We choose the SVG icons that we want to insert and click Insert. We reduce its size. We rotate it a little bit. We change its size. Right click copy, right click paste, and we put it in the desired position. Now we click all the SVG icons, shift and click, right click, convert to shape, right click format object, fill, and we choose slide background fill. We go to effects, shadow, we choose blur 100%. We go to glow, we choose color third column, third in a row, close format shape, and we finally see the effect that is created. Then right click copy, we go to the fourth slide, right click paste, we adjust the size, and we rotate the ranges a little bit. Then when we use the morph transition, we will have a smooth and nice movement of the SVG icons. And then we copy the SVG icons from the fourth slide, click, shift and click, right click copy, and we go to the fifth slide, right click paste, and we rotate a little bit to have a beautiful result. We rotate the ranges. Now we click on the car service SVG icon, right click copy, we go to the 9th slide, right click paste. And now we want to insert another one SVG icon. We go to Insert, Pictures, this device. We click the SVG icon that we want to insert and click Insert. Right click, convert to shape. We enlarge the size. Click the wheel, right click, format shape. We go to Fill, slide background fill. We go to Effects, shadow, blur 100 points, and glow, third column, third row. Close format shape, right click copy, right click paste, and we put it another wheel in the desired position. And then we click the wheel, click the car service SVG icon, right click copy. We want only the two of them. We go to the 10th slide, right click paste, and we put it in the desired position. We reduce the car service SVG icon a little bit, And then we go on the 11th slide. Because we want to emphasize the professional car mechanic, we will insert an oval shape which will show a mechanic inside it. Because without the work of the professional car mechanic, nothing gets done. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Oval Shape, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format Size Height 7 cm. It's about 2.75 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 9 cm. It's about 3.54 inches if you have inches in your settings. And we put it in the desired position. Then we go right click, Format Shape. We go to Fill, we choose Light Background Fill. We go to Effects, Shadow, Blur 100 points, Glow, we choose Color, third column, third row. And we finally see the effect that is created. Line, no line. Close Format Shape. Now we must adjust the text. We create a space and then click the text box, Home, Justify. And we put it in the desired position. And that's it. Now we go to the 12th slide and we want to insert a rectangle with rounded corners. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes, we choose Rectangle with rounded corners, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format Size Height 8 cm. It's about 3.14 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 19 cm. It's about 7.48 inches if you have inches in your settings. Right click, Format Shape. We go to Fill Solid Fill Color. We choose second column, fourth in a row. Transparency 50%. Line Solid Line Color. First column, third in a row. And width 6 point. And we put it in the desired position. But first we go to the text, right click, bring to front. And that's it. Close Format Shape. Now we go on the 5th slide. At this point we want to use the slide zoom effect for the next 3 slides. We want to create 3 points that we can select to display the slides that we will include in the effect. They will be connected to each other with a screwdriver SVG icon. So first we want to insert 3 oval shapes. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes, we choose Oval, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format Height 3 cm, it's about 1.18 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 3 cm too. We go to Shape Format Shape Fill, second column, fourth in a row. Shape Outline, we go to first column, second in a row. Shape Outline, weight 3 points. Right click Copy, right click Paste. Right click Paste. We want it another 2 times. And we put it in the desired position. And then we want to insert 3 numbers inside the center of each oval shape. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the Design area, drag and release it. We go to Insert, we choose Text Box, click inside the Design area, drag and release it. We choose Georgia font, size 48, color first column, first row, and we write the number 1. And we put it in the desired position. Right click Copy, right click Paste. We copy the text, the number, to keep the same settings, and we write 2. Right click Paste, and we write 3. We center the numbers. Then we want to insert the screwdriver SVG icon and copy it twice. We go to Insert, Picture, this device. We choose the SVG icon that we want to insert and click Insert. Right click, Convert to Shape. Right click, Format Shape. Fill, Color, first column, second row. Effects, Shadow, from the presets, Inner, Inside, Center. And we put it in the desired position. Then right click Copy, right click paste, we rotate it, and we put it in the desired position. And that's it. Close format shape. Now we click the circle, we click the number, Ctrl G to group them, click the circle, Shift pressed click the number, right click group, click the circle, Shift pressed click the number, Ctrl G to group them. We want to save the circle with the numbers as a picture. Right click, save as picture, click save. Right click, save as picture, click save, right click, save as picture, click save. Now we are to the fifth slide. We go to insert, zoom, slide zoom. We choose the slides that we want to insert, 6th, 7th and 8th slide. Click insert. Right click, change image from a file. We choose the number 1, click insert. We click the small slide, right click, change image from a file. We choose the second number and click the small slide, right click, change image from a file. We choose the number 3, click insert. We delete the previous numbers. Click shift and click, shift and click, zoom, zoom border, no outline. We reduce the size of the numbers and we put it in the desired position. And the zoom is ready. Now, before we apply the morph transition, we want to make some adjustments. We go to the second slide, we copy the subtitle, right click copy, and we paste it to the first slide, down and outside of the design area. We zoom out, right click paste, and we put it here. Zoom in, we copy the title from the first slide, right click copy, and we paste it to the second slide. Zoom out, right click paste, up and outside of the design area. Now we go to the second slide and we paste the subtitle, right click copy, and we go to the third slide and we put it, right click paste, up and outside of the design area. Then from the third slide we copy the 3 SVG icons, click, shift pressed click, right click copy, and we go to the second slide and we paste it to the second slide. Right click paste on the right side outside of the design area. Then we go to the last slide, we copy the thank you message with a rounded rectangle, right click copy, and we paste it to the 11th slide down and outside of the design area. Here we want to click, shift pressed click, right click copy. We go to the 8th slide, right click paste, and we put it on the right side outside of the design area. And now we click this circle, right click copy, we go to the 10th slide, right click paste, and we put it outside, up and outside of the design area to have a beautiful and nice result. We make these adjustments so that the morph transition from one slide to another works more smoothly and nicely. Now we go to the left column, we click the first slide and we go to the 5th slide, and with shift pressed click we click the 5th slide. We go to transitions and we choose morph. Effect options, objects as it is, duration 2, on mouse click. We should mention that between slides 6, 7 and 8 we have the zoom effect, so we don't put a transition there. Then we go to the left column, we click the 9th slide and we go to the 12th slide, and with shift pressed click we click the 12th slide. We go to transitions, we choose morph, effect options, objects, duration 2, on mouse click. We go to the first slide and we want to put animations. First we click the image, we go to animations, emphasis, grow shrink, start with previews, duration 2. We go to the rectangle, to the transparent rectangle, animations, fade, start after previous, duration 0.75. We go to the title, animations, zoom, start after previous, duration 2. We go to the presenter's name, animations, zoom, start after previous, duration 1. And now we click at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button. The zoom effect, we continue. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you want to learn with us, you can see the link in the description with our online course very soon, which is based on practice combined with PowerPoint commands. You may find it very useful. It has many examples of presentations because we believe that the key to learn anything is action and practice. Practice and practice. Of course, the main thing is to have fun with the process. Just play with a PowerPoint. If you have fear to try new things and learn new skills, the key to changing this situation is action. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!